Is it the right time to buy or sell Zomedica stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Zomedica. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 21, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss out on any vital updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On November 21, 2023, our system identified Zomedica as a buy candidate with a score of 1.45. Now, let's dive into how the stock has performed during this period. We will continue closely monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently experiencing a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected minus 5.53% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between minus 18.96% and 4.01%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected minus 20.35% change in the stock's value over the next year. This indicates a potential return between minus 52.87% and 10.01%. In other words, the stock could range from $0.0819 to $0.191 after 12 months. Today's update on Zomedica brings exciting news as the stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, the Zomedica stock price experienced a slight decrease of minus 0.572%. It went from $0.175 to $0.174 during the last trading day. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 1.15%, reaching a low of $0.174 and a high of $0.176. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a total decline of minus 10%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive sign as it usually follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by minus 2 million shares, with approximately 1 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to around $257.77 thousand. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for Zomedica stock was $0.335, while the lowest price was $0.150. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 48.15% below its 52-week high, which equals $0.161. Furthermore, it is trading 94.17% below its all-time high, which was reached on June 22, 2018, with a price of $2.98. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 6, 2023, Dawson James gave ZOM a buy grade and recommended taking an initialize action. On Monday, November 16, 2020, H.C. Wainwright rated ZOM as a buy and suggested a hold action. Analysts have recently assessed the performance of Zomedica stock and have given it a general rating of neutral. They consider the P/E ratio to be favorable, giving it a rating of buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Zomedica stock. Zomedica stock is currently showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. It's important to note that on corrections down, there will be support from the lines at $0.171 and $0.171. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 16, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 6.3%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. It's worth noting that volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, which is considered technically positive. However, it's important to be aware that this stock may have low liquidity at times, which increases the general risk associated with it. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal occurred 4 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, there was a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was identified 13 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, a buy signal was detected 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was generated 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was observed 68 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Zomedica. Zomedica currently has a support level at $0.172, which means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity. This is because there is a higher likelihood of the stock price bouncing back up from this support level. However, it's important to note that Zomedica is considered a high-risk stock due to its volatility. The stock can experience significant price movements within a single day. Additionally, the trading volume for this stock is relatively low, which adds to the risk. In the last day, Zomedica's stock price fluctuated between a high of $0.0020 and a low of $0.0020, representing a 1.15% change. Looking at the past week, the average daily volatility was around 4.88%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Zomedica, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial piece of information is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either not making any profits or experiencing losses. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors, but if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it could suggest insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled to be released on March 13, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Zomedica. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Zomedica is at $0.180. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Zomedica encounters its first support level at $0.172. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for Zomedica from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 17, 2023, Power's Johnny D conducted an insider buy of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On November 17, 2023, Heaton Larry C2 conducted an insider buy of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On November 15, 2023, Power's Johnny D conducted an insider buy of 150,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On November 7, 2023, Class Russell Kevin conducted an insider buy of 2 million shares of option to buy common stock. On November 7, 2023, Class Russell Kevin conducted an insider buy of 2 million shares of option to buy common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 99.338. Overall, insiders purchased 96,287,495 shares and sold 11,022,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $0.167, which represents a decrease of 3.88%. It's important to note that this stock experiences high daily movements, which also means there is a higher level of risk involved. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found just 3 days ago. Is Zomedica stock a good buy? Although the stock is currently in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals indicating a potential buying opportunity. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the stock for the last trading day, and they suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 22nd, we anticipate Zomedica to open up at $0.0005 and start trading at $0.174. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to present you with our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. Additionally, what is your target for the stock? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We wish you all successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.